You see that? The shrinkage is real.
Real Haitian baby, hope you know what all them zoes about. We gon' keep it active, we won't do a lot of running miles. Real cute bitch, nasty ass attitude. You ain't getting money, why the fuck you think I'm starting?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, it's your girl Sherry, and I am here with a hair wash routine. Yes, this hair needs some tender loving care. So the products I have today, well, the first products I have for my shampoo section is this Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo. But before I rinse my hair out, I usually take these rubber bands off. So I am back. This is my hair. You see that? The shrinkage. This is what it is. I rinsed my hair. I had mixed up 2 ingredients. I put eggs and only the clear yolk, not the yellow part. And I had put mayonnaise. Mayonnaise for the hair increases hair density, make hair shaft stronger, nourishes hair, repairs damages, makes hair shiny, and stops breakage. The eggs, rich in source of protein, triggers hair growth, makes hair healthier. I'm going to add sweet almond oil, keeps dandruff at bay, manages dry and frizzy hair, helps them look shiny and feel soft. Peppermint oil for hair loss, work as an excellent moisturizer, keeps the scalp hydrated, gives strength to the roots. So for the aloe vera, benefits for hair, balances moisture levels in hair, treatment for irritated scalp, promotes hair growth, conditions your hair strands, strengthen the hair shaft. I'm going to go ahead and cut this, blend it, and then apply it to my hair because I don't want like chunks floating around. So as you can see, it got some bounce. As you can tell, look at the bounce, look at the bounce, look at the bounce, look at the bounce. I got edges. I got edges. It feels really soft. Like, I loved it. I'm like, this is what my hair been needing. It was like so dry. And once I put it on, I kept it on for like 20 minutes. And then I rinse it out with my conditioner. Shea Moisture. I'm trying to think like, what was the conditioner? But I rinsed it. I have my 3 products that I'm about to put on my hair so I can start twisting. I'm going to twist some off camera and then come back and twist. But this oil is from Carols Daughter Black Vanilla Kinky Curly Knot Today. I love this one for my hair because it gives great slip, and the oil I actually mix it up with so many oils. Oh my gosh, it's a list of oils. My favorite product, Double Butter Cream, as I am. It's very thick. All right. Oh my gosh, here it goes with the clapping. Hey. All right, guys. Thank y'all for watching to the end. Yes, this is how I wash my hair. Very long day. I started at, I believe, 11 and I didn't end till like 4 o'clock. Yep. Make sure you click the like button, helps me out. And make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss another video. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay with me. Slay with me.